welcome to my channel. My name is Suleiman, and today I'm doing a hands-on review of the Overnight Millionaire digital product by Wesley Virgin. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with I got my hand on the Overnight Millionaire product. I saw the ad for it on my Facebook feed, and that was about a year ago, and I decided I was not interested at the time. A couple of weeks ago, I saw the same ad coming again, and this time I guess my mind was more open into finding out more about the Overnight Millionaire system. And before I dive down about the Overnight Millionaire system, let's talk about the owner of the product, Wesley Virgin, or he called himself Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Wesley Virgin is from Houston, Texas. He came from a very poor background. He served in the army. He was a computer engineer. He was a fitness coach and a life coach as well. Now the Wesley B. Virgin is a multi-millionaire. He actually is a philanthropist. He's a motivational speaker. He's a YouTuber, and most importantly, he's an entrepreneur. He has a combined social presence platform of above 1 million people on Facebook and Instagram combined together. And he has been endorsed by Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone, members of the Shark Tanks such as Kevin O'Reilly. And you will see if you watch the video on the sales page of the product, you will see all these information about Wesley B. Virgin. He has been endorsed by, he has been covered on articles such as the Forbes magazine, the Huffington Post, and much more. Now, let's dive into the product itself. The Overnight Millionaire, once you purchase it, you can actually have access to it right away on the confirmation page, or you get the, and also you get the email logins page on your email. So once you log in for the first time, you will get access to this page here. This is the first part of the module. This is where Wesley Virgin comes in and congratulates you basically and prepares you on what you need to do in order to go to this module properly. The next module is the story of how Wesley Virgin became a millionaire. It's a very good video. It's very interesting. You'll go over it. I cannot click on it because it would just be unfair for the people that actually purchased the product. On the third video here, the third module I would say is the cream of the crop. So Wesley B. Virgin, the Overnight Millionaire, is basically this module right here. It's a series of this is a series of 7 videos where he easily explains what he has done and what you will need to do in order to attract massive wealth. Okay, so Wesley Virgin easily explain and inject into your mind the blueprint of success. Very easy. By far, this is the best. This is the best module of the whole series. I think I said that already, but I think I would like to say it again because this is worth every penny of the whole digital product here. Okay, so the next module here, this is to start making money online ASAP. Basically, this is Wesley Virgin explaining to people how to make money online, doing simple stuff, and in order to make money, and you don't even have to spend money in order to make that type of money online. On the next module here, so this is a webinar training for the people that purchase this product. Wesley Virgin does a webinar for the people here. On the next module here is the links to his social media pages, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You can easily find him when you click on these links. And on the last page, this is Wesley Virgin taking having heart-to-heart conversation with the people that purchase this product, and it's very interesting, very emotional, very motivational, and uh, and I think most people will agree with what he has to say here. Overall, I want to talk about the cons and the pros now. I will start with the pro because there's not a lot of cons, but I think there's a bunch of pros about this product. First of all, I think this is a very good, on an overall stage, this is a very good self-development system, and it's not a way to get rich quick. And secondly, I think it'll work for anyone regardless of your starting point or regardless of your field. It applies with business, personal life, and on basically every aspect of life. Yes, it applies to. And another pro as well, I that I think that is even make it this product very good is very easy to implement, and it has been endorsed by thousands of people, even by very famous people as well. And most importantly, about this product, it has a 60-day money back guarantee. So there's nothing to lose, there's nothing to fear. That's actually why I purchased this product because I was skeptical because of the title. In fact, this is the only con that I have about this product, the title of this product. Uh, Overnight Millionaire sounds very it sounds sketchy to me. It sounds very. It sounds like a scheme, get rich quick scheme, because this is what you think of when you hear overnight millionaire. Because there's no such thing. I think that if the title, although that the product is not about making money overnight, this is the mindset aspect of having the mindset of a millionaire. And I think that if the title was changed, this is my opinion. Okay, don't judge me on that. Just this is my opinion. I think if the title was changed into the unconventional overnight millionaire, it will probably lower the guards of the people that actually go to this product. I probably see the product for the first time. You understand? So this is my take on it. Um, so this is my whole take on the overnight millionaire. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my page, and we'll see you soon.